Hi there, everybody. I want to teach you how to do something today that's going to help you be a little bit more efficient. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to pin 3 pages into Firefox so that they open every time you open Firefox without you having to click anything. Those 3 pages are going to be your mail, your Google Calendar, and your Moodle. So I'm going to have your teacher pause this in a minute, but here's what I want you to do. You need to open up your computers, make sure you're logged on, you're ready to go. Open Firefox, and I want you to open your mail, your Google Mail. Your Google Calendar, if you don't know how to do that, if you're in Mail, just hit Calendar, and you're going to get a Calendar tab like this. And I want you to open up your Moodle. Your Moodle meaning your courses, so that you can see the courses you're taking here. Okay? Would you please do that right now so that you have those 3 tabs open in Firefox at the same time? If you don't know how to open separate tabs, ask someone else in the class and they'll help you out. Okay? Teachers, if you can go ahead and pause the video right now, make sure that everybody has Mail, their Calendar, and their Moodle open in 3 separate tabs. Okay? Remember, in Moodle, you got to be able to see your courses here. That's how you know it's your Moodle. Okay, pause and do that right now. Okay, you got all that done. Here's what we're going to do. This is really easy. We're going to make these what are called App Tabs. App Tabs are tabs that open every time you open Firefox. You don't have to reopen them every time. Here's how you do it. Just click on one of the tabs, like your Mail, right-click on it, and see the menu says Pin as App Tab. Okay, left-click, there. Notice the tab got smaller. Now your Calendar, do the same. Right-click and left-click on Pin as App Tab. Now same thing to your Moodle. Here's click on it, right-click, and Pin as App Tab. There. Now you see we have 3 small tabs up there. Now what do we get for that? Why are we doing this? Well, let me show you. I'll close Firefox and I'll open it up again, pretending I'm opening for the very first time. Notice what happens. These tabs stay here. They're pinned. And we got Mail opening, we got Calendar opening, and we have Moodle opening. Here you go, Moodle. Look, my Moodle came right up. Mail, Mail came right up. Calendars doesn't always come right up. Here's what you have to do. Type in your email here where it says email, but there is no password for calendars because you're already logged into Moodle. Okay, this is the single login through Moodle. So type in your email, but no password. Click sign in. As soon as you do that, you'll get your calendar. You may be taken to a Moodle page to log into Moodle. That's okay too. So now what have we got? We've got our Moodle page, we've got Calendar, and we've got your Mail. Would you make sure you have all 3 of those pinned in there? While we're at it, I want to say a little something about Firefox. Firefox should be your default browser. It's the one you're going to use for everything. You're going to use Firefox for all your courses, for accessing NVS, for getting to your Mail, Calendar, everything else. If there's a teacher who needs you to use Chrome for one specific application, that's no problem. You can load that, you can use it for that, but please use Firefox for everything else you do. Firefox works better with NVS, and it works better with some other programs that we use, so please make sure you use Firefox for everything you do, not Chrome. Alright, so what do we do today? We've got 3 app tabs pinned here that are going to automatically open every time you open Firefox. This is going to help us check our email more often, and later on we're going to be using calendars to load up what's happening in the middle school so that you can see what's happening there. Okay? So for now, just get those tabs there and get used to clicking through Mail and checking your mail regularly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something.